If your blood pressure monitor shows an E1 error, it usually means the device can't properly inflate the cuff. Blood pressure monitors rely on a small pneumatic system that includes the cuff, pump, tubing, and pressure sensors working together. When there's a loose hose, air leak, blocked tube, or weak battery, the cuff can't build enough pressure to take an accurate reading, which triggers the error. Fortunately, most E1 issues can be fixed with a few simple checks before assuming the monitor is faulty. Step 1. Check the cuff connection and make sure the air tube is firmly plugged into the monitor. Step 2. Inspect the cuff and hose for leaks, tears, or kinks that could stop proper inflation. Step 3. Replace or recharge the batteries to ensure the pump has enough power. Step 4. Reposition the cuff 1-2 inches above your elbow and try the measurement again. Step 5. If the error continues, restart the monitor or replace the cuff and contact the manufacturer if needed.